Hello everybody, I'm Park Young-un, amateur 7-dan player. From today, I am going to start my English Baduk channel.
Why do you want to start a YouTube channel?
Because I have been teaching Baduk more than 15 years, so I know how I have to give them the Baduk education progress. But I know especially in the Western country, their system of Baduk education is not tidied yet. That is the reason why I want to make the English Baduk YouTube channel.
Well, I've been watching some YouTube channel as well. You're probably a strong player. Normally the strong players cannot teach.
Okay.
What makes you so different?
Yeah, actually I turned around to the beginner market quite quickly. I mean about my education career.
You mean you're teaching
Baduk.
beginners?
Yeah, teaching beginner about 10 years ago. Normally strong player, they can only teach the strong student who wants to be like the professional player, because it's totally different word. Teaching strong player between teaching beginner is totally different word. So but when I was teaching the strong player at that time, I wanted to learn how I can teach the beginner as well. So I can say I have taught all the area, like kindergarten to all the player and even the beginner to strong player. So I know all the area. That's why I can say I'm confident to teach even the middle level of the player and even the beginner. That's the reason. Yeah.
How long have you been teaching?
15 years, more than. If I include the studying time, then of course it's more than 25 years. Now is maybe 26 years.
Where have you been teaching? Like academies or schools?
I can say all the area. When I was teaching in Korea, I think I taught more than 10 years in Korea. At the first time, of course, I have taught in the professional academy who want, just like the student where they want to become a pro. I was teaching them for more than few years. After that, I just teach in the normal academy, just like the student who want to play Baduk as a hobby. And then I just touch in the primary school, elementary school. Also, those market is totally different. Of course, I have been even teaching the many private lessons as well. In the offline and in the online, both of way I taught a lot. Yeah. After teach 10 years in Korea, I came to Hong Kong. So now I have been teaching more than 6 years.
What kind of content are you going to make for the YouTube channel?
For our YouTube channel, I want them to enjoy my video, and of course it should be helpful for them to improve. That is how I want to make the video. It should be useful and it should be enjoyed. I can just put on my actual game, and even I can make the lecture, and even I can explain for the professional game. And so however, I will make those things useful and helpful and enjoyed for you guys.
Nowadays we have computers, we have
That's
AI.
true. Yeah.
So many people are doing the review in the computer or Lila Zero or other computer program.
Yeah.
So why do you think they need a teacher if there is already a god?
Even that's a good question. I can say the AI is the god. Yeah, no one can beat. Even they are maybe at least 2 handicaps stronger than world champion. That's true. But even my student, they all have a AI program, but still they are learning from me, because when they are watching the valuation, what AI is showing them, sometimes they cannot understand why they suggest those move. Improvement meaning is our understanding is deeper. So even AI is showing you all the variation, then it doesn't mean we can use those things in the actual games. So it's much better to improve if you are using AI, but still we need to have a teacher to understand the movement meaning.
You've been starting your YouTube channel in February. Have you set a goal or target, like in this year, how many subscribers or how many views do you want to achieve?
Million.
That sounds impossible.
My first goal is making the 1,000 subscriber. That is my first target, first goal. And if I can get 10,000 and over than 10,000, I will be very happy.
Lastly, what do you want to say to your fans or subscribers?
I hope you guys enjoy to watch my video, and if that's useful, I will be very happy. When you enjoy to watch the video, please press subscribe and like. That can make me to continue this channel. I will try to give it the useful thing to you. Thank you so much.